Okay, this is calculus, and if you have been given an equation like this one, then they have said find dy over dx. Just know that that's its calculus, and they are basically telling you to differentiate this equation. So how do you differentiate this equation? It's very simple. For example, if you have ax to the power n, then they are saying find dy dx. What they are simply telling you, they are telling you to differentiate. So how do you differentiate? You take a coefficient multiplied by a power. So a multiplied by n, you are going to have anx. Then you just remove a 1 to this power. Then the answer that you are going to get after after subtracting a 1 from the power, that's your final answer. That's your dy dx. So with this example, let us solve the actual question. So you are going to say dy over dx is equal to, we have a 4 as a coefficient. So 4 multiplied by a 3, it's a 12. 12x. Then to this power you remove a 1 minus, you go to this one now. You say 2 multiplied by a 2, it's basically a 4x to the power 2. Then you remove a 1 as well. Then if you differentiate any constant number, the number is always a 0. Take note of that. Any number which is constant, if you differentiate it, the answer will be always a 0. Because if you have, for example, if you have 1 x to the power 0, because there's no any power here, so you are going to say 0 multiplied by 1, the answer will be 0. And 0 multiplied by any number is always a 0. So you don't even include it to say plus a 0, no. You just leave it blank. So from here, you are going to have your final answer, which is dy over dx will be equal to 3 minus 1 is a 2. So you are going to have 12x squared minus 4x. 2 minus a 1, you are going to have a 1. So, and here also, any number to the power 1 is a number itself. You don't have to include a 1. You just leave it just like that. It means you have managed to find your dy dx. So this is your final answer. And this question came under GCE 2024. So we can have another example from here. We can even have another example. So we can just say, for example, we can have a 2x to the power 3, then maybe plus a 4. So they have said find dy dx. It's very simple. You just say, don't forget to put this, dy dx is equal to 2 multiplied by 3, it's a 6. 6x, then 3 minus a 1 plus any constant. If you differentiate any constant number, the number is always a 0. I've already shown you why the number is always a 0. So you don't even need to include anything. Just know that any constant number, if you differentiate it under calculus, the answer will be always a 0. So you don't even include it. So your final answer will be dy over dx. Your answer will be equal to 6x 3 minus a 1 to the power 2. So this is your dy dx. That's all about differentiation under calculus. Thank you.